guys! Today, it's second day namin dito sa Disneyland. Nandito kami sa Mickey room. So, ayan guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung susuot ng mga kids ko. Yung binili namin kagabi. Ito. Guys, yung binili namin kahapon. Ayan, may mga tag pa. Hindi nalalaban. Ayan, so, let's go! Guys, dahil second day namin dito sa Disneyland, for sure, maglilibot na namin yung mga hindi namin nalibot kahapon. So, tara, isasama ko kayo ulit. At hindi pa namin natatara yung big turkey leg ba yun? So, let's go. Ready na your Disney jacket. Let's go in 1, 2, 3, ready! Hi! Welcome to Disneyland! Ikaw, hindi ka nakikinig talagang bata ka. So, ayan guys. Nagutom ang mga kids. Yummy! Ito, ayan na ito, yummy. Ayan, nag-ice cream sila. Ito, Donald Duck. Nice. May spider ka pa dyan. Mickey Mouse. Nice. Donald Duck also.
Did you want my Spider-Man?
Mami holding.
So ayan, kakarating lang nga ulit namin dito sa Disneyland. Hindi muna kami mamamasyay. Kakain kami dito muna at magpapalamig. Sobrang init kasi. Ayan. Nice. Yummy. Yummy turkey. You try? Nice. You like it? Nice, ha? Kinakain si Donald Duck. Yummy Donald Duck. Oh. Eat na. Behave, ha? Naubos namin yung turkey. No. Going to fall off na, babe. You have na. Oh my God, take video. Take video. Guys, Toy Story ulit tayo. Say cheese. Cheese, A-Dog. Ayan. Alas ba yan na? This is scary daw eh. Scary? Ay!
I can't wait. I like scary.
Diyan kami pupunta. Ayan. Let's go. Sa Mystic Manor. Let's go. Guys, ito yung ride ko. Wow! Okay. Let's go. Enjoy. Natakot si Ado.
Ayan.
Spread. Cheese. Punta kami guys dito sa ride. Winnie the Pooh ride. Oh, this is Winnie the Pooh.
Wow!
There's that turkey going for food. Still honey.
Mata talaga na to, parang hindi girl eh. Kasi sumasabi to. Hey dang. Oh. Cheese. Pretty girl.
And ask him to be pink and fluffy, just like me. Alright, shall I come and join you? Do you think maybe I could stand in the middle? Would that be okay?
Hindi kami pupunta. Kasi it's scary eh. Jeje. So guys, ayan, hinihintay lang namin si, nalaglag, si Aiden, Ayana, and si Daddy dito sa labas ng hyperspace. Say cheese! Because of that right now, your experience, how's your experience? Good or no?
Oh, scary.
You're crying. Do you want to ride that ride? You see? I give what you wish for. So,
So dark, so scary.
Out of 10, what is your rate?
9.
9? Wow, 9 na, okay.
What are we doing?
Then,
All the way holding my arm only. So scary.
scary. That's why I don't want to go.
How come you know?
They have warning there that it's really high. Can you want one more ride? One more ride?
Maybe when we go.
Guys, yung next ride namin is si Ant-Man. Ito guys, ito. Si Ant-Man.
You all look like you make a great team. Are you a team? You all work together, yeah?
Yeah.
Teamwork is very important. Now, do you have a favorite superhero?
Yes, it's a you.
Anyone?
Yes.
Maybe he must like Iron Man. Very important. Do you have a favorite?
Yeah, you say yes.
Who's your favorite?
Iron Man.
Spider-Man. He is pretty cool.
Jump, you say jump.
Drawing?
Drawing.
It's a
Okay.
great skill to have.
Follow faster.
Follow.
Like that, go.
And charge up. That's great. Awesome work. All right, should we look here?
Okay, look at here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, thank you so
Good work,
much.
JT. Right, take care.
Bye. Mga anak ko talaga. Ano ba yan? Hirap picturean. Pipicturean lang, hirap. Guys, sa picture. Gusto ko, hirap yung picturean. Guys, say cheese. Ano ba gusto mo, bebe? Okay ka. Say cheese. Cheese. Ito kami. Let's go. Here. We walk around here. Let's go, guys. Wow, big cupcake. Wow. Okay, you sit down.
Which color?
Around.
Yeah.
Okay, look here. Wow.
Where do we?
Nice. What's this? Dalawa nito lagi nag-aawat. Come. Here. Nice. Yan, nakawa ka here. Cheese. Your turn. Cheese. I'll pour over you first. Okay.
Wow.
Say hi.
Thank you.
Hi. Look at mommy first. I take a picture.
First, to take a picture first. Wait a minute. Okay.
Sophie. Hi, hello. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Everyone look here.
Hi, hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Kakain muna kami ng dinner with my sa hotel, guys. Kakain muna kami dito sa baba ng hotel namin. Tingnan natin kung masarap yung food. Are you okay? Yes, si Princess Diana. I love you, Aiden, guys. Aiden. I say, Tito Norvin. No, the not father. It's my siblings. You didn't know? Why?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You never tell me about that before.
But not similar face?
Doesn't look similar at all.
That doesn't similar at all?
Tita Chin, Tita Cherry sits so similar to you.
Share.
Similar. But how about Tito Luisito, the father of, you know that's my siblings? No, also?
I only know Sandra's father is your brother.
Yeah. So now,
Sandra's father was your only brother.
so now you know ha, my siblings is Tita Chinchin, Tita Cherise, Tito John, and Tito Norbin, okay?
So that's fine.
But how about the face? Is it similar to their face? Tito Norbin and my face?
No.
No?
Who's handsome? Who's prettier?
Who's handsome? Tito Norbin or Tito Luisito? Tito John?
Oh, daddy.
Oh, daddy. You really don't know, huh?
I know, dear.
Now, Ngayon ko lang napagtanto at ngayon lang din nalaman ni Aiden guys na kapatid ko daw si Tito Norvin. Dahil hindi talaga nagsisinungaling ang bata. So, nag-order ako. Hindi ako umiinom guys. Pero nakita ko yung color. So pretty. I want to try. This is cocktail. Just
Cheers to number 6.
number 6. Made in Hong Kong Let's go. Have strawberry. It is straw.
I try first.
What?
Don't talk to me, I'm drunk.
So fast? You just sip one? So fast? Ito sa'yo anak mo. Namin, it is carbonara and kids meal na nag-aaway sila kasi nag-aagawan sila sa fruits. So let's go eat. Ganito rin yung mga anak niya mga ka-charming. Ay, nako. Guys, ayan na yung order namin. Excited na si Aiden. Okay, go. You can eat na go.
Take off this.
Yeah.
Give to Aiden, give to Aiden, give to Aiden.
Nice. Okay.
But Aiden's too good.
Hot, huh?
Ito yan, dinner mo na kami. Aiden. Yan guys, dinner na kami. What's this? Can I see?
Aiden,
Can I see this one? Can I see?
decoration.
What's this? Ay, chocolate.
Oh, the
Ay,
chocolate can eat, huh?
Chocolate pala to. This is chocolate pala. The chocolate, you like spicy, right? I don't like. Try.
Aiden's decoration.
Cheese. So pretty. Ayan. Uwi na kami ng Pilipinas. Today is our last day here in Hong Kong. Are you excited to go back to Philippines?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No? Lokohin natin si Aidong, guys. Sabihin ko, uwi na kami Singapore.
Super
Aidong.
excited.
We prank Aidong. We go back to Singapore. Aidong, are you excited to go back to Singapore?
Yay! I like Singapore.
Okay, you will study there na. You will study there, ah.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, say cheese! Cheese! Good job! Cheese! Nice! Treat! Oh, ay! Ay! Look at here! Cheese! Okay na siya, wait na. Ayan, kain na kami dito sa Chinese restaurant. Our order here, and they're famous Winnie the Pooh and
I want the little one.
Pikachu ba yan?
I want the little one.
Guys, broccoli again.
Mommy.
Ay, not outside. Later you bang there. Oh, hug Mickey! Hug, Mickey, hug! Wow!
Yeah, give some space to Minnie. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Video.
Bye-bye! Tapos na ang aming Hong Kong trip. So, uwi na kami ng Pilipinas and I buy this. Partner nila. Nakila din sila. Ikaw. Okay. Same, all the same. Yes. Daddy don't have.
I don't have.
Guys, ayan, nasa airport na kami. Ayan, bumibili kami ng mga pagkain nila. Kasi ito yung mga pagkain nila guys, yung mga Chinese food. So yeah, let's go! Naku, mga kabamirit, may mga anak ko. Tara na, let's go, nag-go home na. Let's go, bye-bye. Oo, buti na lang. Thank you, Bia. Di, no.
Speaking very right. So, okay. Tap.
Huwag ka na magalit, Bia. Thank you, Bia. So, tara na. Naku, kang bata ka. Thank you, Aiden ka. Thank you, Aiden. Thank you.